Hi, friends! This is a really fun video, so don't miss out and keep watching.
Hey! Hey!
Hey guys, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.
Wow!
This is blue color. It is calm, like the beautiful sky.
Wow!
This is red color. It is bright like a sweet apple.
Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you throw them o'er your shoulder like a continental soldier?
This is pink color. It is lovely like a pretty flower.
Let's play, everyone! Yay, let's go! This way, follow me!
Hey!
This is purple color. It is magical like a fairy tale.
Come on, little ones, let's hop!
Okay, Mom.
That's it, keep going!
Whee, this is fun!
This is green color. It is fresh like the soft grass. This is yellow color.
Whee, this is so much fun! Look at the butterflies!
Nay!
You're the best horse ever!
Hey guys, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.